dragon closes the gap. He is buffeted by the snap, nearly losing its balance in the air. But the eagle returns, snatching another portion. This time, the crocodile refuses the humiliation and lunges after its audacious thief. Two ancient lineages lock eyes. The distance now measured in heartbeats rather than yards. But on land, the eagle's agility outmatches the crocodile's strength. A desperate attempt to look larger than the titan before it. A massive slab of meat is torn free. A prize worth more than its weight in gold. The crocodile can only watch. An African fish eagle can snatch up to 300 to 400 grams of fish per meal and requires several catches a day to sustain its energy.